Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kavita Sharkar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology, Kolkata 145. Special type of distributions. There are two cases, discrete and continuous. In discrete, there are binomial and Poisson distributions. In continuous, there are normal, exponential, uniform, gamma distributions. I am talking about the syllabus of Markout in engineering branches. Binomial and Poisson distributions are there in all engineering branches, and normal, exponential, gamma are there in mechanical and electronics and communication engineering, and normal, exponential and uniform are there in EEE department. In the last lecture, I have discussed binomial distribution. In this lecture, I am going to discuss on Poisson distribution. PMF of Poisson distribution. A discrete random variable x is said to have a Poisson distribution with parameter alpha greater than 0 if its PMF is probability at x equals to k equal e power minus alpha power k by factorial k and satisfying the following conditions. Number 1, PMF is always greater or equals to 0 for alpha greater than 0. Number 2, PMF is 1 if we take the sum over it from 0 to infinity. Here is one theorem. If x is a Poisson variate with parameter alpha, then number 1, mean of x is alpha. Number 2, variance of x is alpha. Expectation of x formula is k equals to 0 to infinity k e power minus alpha power k by factorial k. Here we should not start from 0 because if we put 0 then it has no meaning, so we should write here 1, and e power minus alpha is independent of k, so we can take it out, and factorial k can be written as k into factorial k minus 1. Now these two k's are cancelled. If we expand it, taking k equals to 1, 2, 3 up to infinity, then we will have this exponential series e power alpha. Now e power minus alpha and e power alpha both are cancelled, remaining alpha. So the mean of Poisson distribution is alpha. Now let us find expectation of x into x minus 1. So similarly, taking the expectation formula, starting from 0 to infinity, we have written according to the formula, but we should not write because there is k and k minus 1. We should not write 1 also because there is k minus 1 term. We should start from 2. Now e power minus alpha is independent of k. We can take it out, and factorial k can be written as k into k minus 1 factorial k minus 2. Then k into k minus 1 cancelled. And this alpha power k can be written as k minus 2 plus 2, and this can be separated as alpha power 2. This alpha power 2 is independent of k, we can take it out of sum. Now let us expand this, taking k equals to 2 to infinity, then we will have the exponential series, and cancelling e power minus alpha and e power alpha, we are getting alpha square. Now let us put this value in the variance x formula. So after putting here, m is expectation of x, which is alpha, we have found. So after the calculation, we got the variance as alpha. Here is a question, the distribution for which mean and variance are equal. So here we have seen that for Poisson distribution, the mean and variance are equal. This question appeared in Markout 2006. Another question, the mean of Poisson variate is greater than its variance, less than its variance, equal to its variance, twice its variance. So number C is the correct option. This question has appeared in Markout 2007. Next question, a random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that probability of 1 equals to probability of 2. Then the standard deviation of x options are there. This question appeared in Markout 2007. A similar question, a random variable x has a Poisson distribution such that probability of 1 equals to probability of 2. Then find number 1 mean of the distribution, number 2 probability at x equals to 4. This question has appeared 3 times in Markout exam. So let us find. It's given in the question that probability of 1 equals to probability of 2. So we can write the Poisson distribution PMF, writing k as 1 in left hand side and writing k as 2 in right hand side. Then e power minus alpha and e power minus alpha cancel. So we'll have alpha equals to alpha square by 2. So alpha square equals to 2 alpha. Now taking alpha common, we are getting alpha minus 2. So there are two cases, alpha equals to 0 and alpha equals to 2. But alpha equals to 0 cannot be taken because alpha is always greater than 0. Therefore, the alpha value is 2. Now the mean and variance are same. We know that for Poisson distribution they are equal. So mean and variance both are 2. And standard deviation we know that is the square root of variance x. So standard deviation is root 2. Therefore option C is the correct answer. So here you look, root 2 is the option C. Now next question is we have to find probability at x equals to 4. So in this case k is 4. Now let us put in the PMF k is 4. We are getting e power minus alpha, alpha power 4 divided by factorial 4. Now e power minus 2, why? Because alpha is 2 and 2 to the power 4 and factorial 4 is open. Cancelling all of this, we are getting 2 by 3 e square. So that is the answer, required answer. Next question, if x is a Poisson variate such that probability at x equals to 1 equals to 0.2 and probability at x equals to 2 is 0.2, find probability at x equals to 0. This question has appeared 2012-2013 in Markout exam. The mean of the Poisson distribution is mu, then what is its standard deviation? This question has appeared in 2004 Markout exam. So both these questions are for you. Solve it. Next lecture on Poisson distribution, long question answers, Poisson approximation to the binomial distribution also.
For admission and course related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/